love the Red Wings. And I am very confident that that Stanley Cup is staying home. A couple of granddaughters gave me that for Christmas 3 or 4 years ago. So you can see I've been a Wing fan for a long, long time. I truthfully think it'll go 5 games. I would rather see 4, but if we go 5, that's okay. I'll come out in the morning now and put the score up, which is going to say Wings 3, Penguins 1. I can't believe everybody doesn't love them. It's a good sport. We've got our blow-up penguins. I made their shirts out of bed sheets. This is my great-grandson, Noah. And he's a big Red Wing fan. We've trained him very well to lay on the floor and watch the hockey games. And he loves them, too.
Go Wings! Now, that's a diehard